Now you can multiply 5 and 9. Okay, I need to enter before running it. Okay, so here you can see multiply 2 and 3. So tell me how you want to update the state. Okay, so it asks the how you want to update the state, then it will multiply by 5 and 9. Okay, multiply 5 and 9. Here this is the tool call a equals to 2, b equals to 3. Before we have this argument a equals to 2 and b equals to 3, and here you can see we updated it with a equals to 5 and b equals to now 9. Okay, so now it will give you multiply 5 by 9, so answer is 45. Now we can continue the graph execution from event message dot stream. Okay, this is approved by human, that I'm going to pass none here. Thread stream mode value for event message -1 tt print. Okay, and this is answer for multiplication. Okay, now they are going to divide 45 by 5, so we got 9.0. Okay guys, I have completed. I think you got it. I hope you like my video. Please, if you have any doubt, please do comments. Bye bye, take care.